Ujana,
Yes, sir.
have you submitted assignment?
Yes, sir. I send it yesterday.
Both.
Yes, sir. Both
Yes, yes.
in a PDF.
In PDF format. In Google Class. Where you have submitted?
Sir, on Google Classroom, and I also sent on your email.
Oh yes. No, it is to if you submit in Google Classroom, that's okay. Do you understand whatever discussed in the class? Or do you face any difficulty? Ujana,
Sir, Um,
do you understand whatever discussed in the class?
yes, sir.
You have to understand it very clearly, as we are to go in deep of the subject content. This is only the format, but we'll go in depth later on. Clear? And most probably your mid-semester examination will start on 23rd. Therefore, whatever discussed in the class, you have to go through it and you have to answer in very nice way, both in internal examination and midterm examination. Because you have come here for pursuing the post-graduation program, but you have to carry high marks. As in most of the cases nowadays, there is a marks bar. Therefore, if you do not go through the details of the syllabus, you cannot attain the marks, and in this way, you may be deprived of getting job and in some other fields, because nowadays everybody is getting good marks. Today is the era of assigning more marks. In earlier decades, there was no such trend. How far is your place from Dharmanagar, Ujana?
Sir, 1 hour.
1 hour. Towards north again, towards Silchar.
No, sir. Sir, do you know Pachartal?
Pechathar. Oh, it used to go to in the way of Pechathar.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Far away from 8 kilometers from Pachartal.
Oh, your place is 8 kilometers from Pechathar. Then
Yes, sir.
if you
In also
go
Pachartal area.
if you go by train, you have to get down in Pechathar station.
Yes, sir. And there is available auto
Auto.
from Pachartal.
Or do you have agricultural land there? Your own agricultural land? Do you own agricultural land there?
Yes, sir.
Oh. And what is your father doing? His
My
teacher.
father is in education. Yes, sir. Teacher.
Oh, nearby school.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's okay.
You know Machmara High School.
Machmara High School. Why it is Machmara?
His name is Machmara.
Name is Machmara. Okay. I don't know why
Also,
the. Huh?
is also under 75.
Oh. Then, are you comfortable there in Machmara village?
Yes, sir. Obviously, it's my home village.
Oh. Do you ever visit your agricultural field, etc.?
Not really agricultural, but we have our own land to,
Uh,
staying.
you grow
Where
you grow vegetables or paddy only?
no, sir.
Vegetables,
No, sir.
paddy.
No, sir. There is not agricultural land, but we have our own what? Own house, own house and own land. What I can say.
And in your land, what do you grow? Paddy or vegetables? Do you grow vegetables in your own land?
Yes, sir. Sometimes not really.
When it is very nice place. My
Sir,
son was in
hope so.
my son was in let's say what is that? Panisagar Hospital for some time.
Yes, sir. It's a Panishagar.
Uh, he was posted there. Now he is pursuing the MD program. Mm, that's why. That is, the North is very much known to me. Then I am to visit your home. If you provide the traditional food, what is the
Okay,
peculiar
sir.
what is the peculiar traditional feed of Chakma community?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Lisa.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. Sir, how are you?
I am fine, but you have not presented yourself yesterday, and
Yes, sir.
that's why your marks will be very low.
Sir, I will present. Sir.
Uh, you have presented. Now did you submit the assignment?
Sir, I am having some problem, sir. I will submit today itself.
You have to submit
Sir,
today itself.
I don't know how to submit, so I will submit today by itself.
You have to submit, and you try to put on Google Classroom,
Yes,
or
sir.
if you face any problem, you may send to mail. But I prefer to send in Google Classroom because I may maintain it, that whatever you have sent in Google Classroom.
Sir,
And
in PDF form or what, sir?
in PDF format. In PDF format. Okay. Both
Okay,
of
sir.
both of the assignment. I have assigned you about ABC and about profit line. Okay.
No, sir. Not
Okay,
profit
sir.
line.
Uh,
Profit
pro-
line.
profit line.
No, sir. Not profit line. What are the steps required for every activity-based costing? Second
Uh,
question.
uh, then yesterday I assigned the profit line also.
I did not send a profit line.
Sir,
Uh,
how to calculate it, sir?
I have already communicated you the profit line. Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus I have already taken class for doing profit line. Is it not? I have already communicated to your end. Vijay is not coming today. For what reason Vijay is not coming?
We don't know, sir.
You don't know. This way, Lisa,
Yes, sir.
Lisa, this is the profit line. Both the 2 years data has been given to you, sales and profit. Not this, but the data will be different. I have communicated to you through mail. And first year sales you have to take as X1 and profit as Y1. Second year sales at X2 and profit as Y2. Then if Y equal to profit and X equal to sale, the equation of the profit line would be such: Y minus Y1 equal to Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1 into X minus X1. I tell you all that you have to memorize this line, this equation. This is the equation of straight line passing through 2 points. Why? The one point is X1, Y1. If you point here, 1 point is X1, Y1 and 1 point is X2, Y2. And the profit line would be like this: Y minus Y1 equal to Y2 minus X1 divided by X2 minus X1 into X minus X1. Then the first year profit we have taken as Y1 and we have done it Y minus 30,000 equal to Y2 minus Y1, that is Y2 minus Y1, that is 90,000 minus 30,000, that is 60,000, divided by X2 minus X1, 2 lakh minus 1 lakh, that is 1 lakh, into X minus X1, X minus 1. Then it is Y minus 30,000 equal to 3 by 5, 60,000 by 1 lakh means 3 by 5 into X minus 1 lakh. Therefore, Y minus 30,000 equal to 3X by 5 into 3 into 1 lakh divided by 5. That is Y minus 30,000 equal to 3X by 5 minus, this is 60,000. Therefore, Y equal to 3X by 5 minus 60,000. This 30,000 comes this side, that's why it becomes plus. Therefore, Y equal to 3X by 5 minus 30,000. Then, what is your PV ratio? If this is the profit line, what is your PV ratio? You write down from this sum. You keep it in your khata, those who have not taken yet. Lisa,
Yes, sir.
did you get it in your copy?
Sir, I'm writing.
You are to write. The whole thing you are to write. Ujana,
Yes, sir.
you are to write it.
Sir,
Sir, I have written already. Sorry,
you have
I
written,
forgot it.
yes. Then what is your PV ratio? You write PV ratio. You write the profit line Y equal to 3X by 5 minus 30,000. You write down the profit line. You write down the profit line is Y equal to 3X by 5 minus 30,000. Within bracket you should write Y equal to profit, X equal to sale. What is the indication of Y? Y equal to profit, X equal to sale. Then in this profit line, what is your PV ratio? Ujana?
Sir, X
Huh?
equal to sales or Y equal to profit. X means sales or Y means profit.
Okay. Okay. Then what is PV ratio, Ujana?
Contribution by sales.
Huh?
Contribution by
Here,
sales.
from this profit line, you have to find out the PV ratio. You tell you have submitted. You did not submit
No,
the.
sir, I did not submit it. I did not submit previous one.
Then what is PV ratio? If this is the profit line, what is your PV ratio? Lisa? Lisa,
Yes, sir.
the extended time is today only. Therefore, you cannot submit your
Sir,
internal.
sir, both the assignment.
Both the assignment.
Okay,
You have
sir.
to submit by today.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you cannot submit and you will easily get zero. You need not get too much trouble to get zero. Double zero, double Rasagala. Lisa,
Yes, sir. I will submit today.
you have to
Anyhow.
submit. Anyhow, you have to submit. Whatever may be the problem in home front. Okay.
Yes, sir. I will submit.
Hello. বলো বলো তুমি কি করে যাবে ঠিক আছে আমি ক্লাসটা করি
Sir, how to calculate PV ratio?
What is the PV ratio? The PV ratio is whatever multiplied with x. Whatever, this is the profit line, y equal to 3x by 5 minus 30,000. Do you understand, Ujana?
Yes, sir.
Then whatever multiplied with x, that is PV ratio. Therefore, PV ratio equal to 3 by 5. From profit line, this is the profit PV ratio, 3 by 5. You write down. PV ratio equal to 3 by 5. Okay? Why? Because this is change in profit divided by change in sale. What does it indicate? This 3 by 5? Change in profit divided by change in sale. I have stated also that you may calculate PV ratio by change in profit divided by change in sale also. Do you understand, Ujana?
Yes, sir.
PV ratio may be calculated by change in profit divided by change in sale. Therefore, this 3 by 5 is your PV ratio. Okay? Do you get the point?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Then you write PV ratio equal to 3 by 5. If profit is zero, if profit is zero, if profit is zero, if profit is if x is zero, if x is zero, that is sale zero, what is your profit? You write down. If sale is zero, that is if x equal to zero, Then what is your profit? Means y. Then y equal to
Y
profit
equals to
means, huh? If x equal to 0, what is the value of y?
0.
Huh?
Sir, 30,000.
ভালো করে বলো এখানটায় 0 বসালে what you get the value of y?
Sir, 5.
Good. If x equal to 0, what is the value of this? 0 into something equal to 0. The whole is 0 here. And it remains, what remains?
30,000.
Huh? Bujana? If this is 0, then what part remains?
30,000.
Anything before 30,000?
Minus.
Minus 30,000. Then y equal to minus 30,000. If sale is 0, y equal to minus 30,000. That is loss. Loss 30,000, not profit. Profit minus 30,000 means loss. If sale is 0, your profit would be minus 30,000. That is loss 30,000. Do you understand? You write down. If x equal to 0, y equal to 0 minus 30,000 equal to minus 30,000. Clear? Therefore, loss equal to 30,000. Not profit. Loss equal to 30,000. Okay? Do you understand? Ujana?
Yes, sir.
Lisa, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Then say if sale equals to 0, if any constant, if sale equal to 0, what would be profit? Profit would be of which amount? If sale equal to 0, what would be profit? 0 or something more than that or less than that?
Sir, minus loss.
Minus. Why minus? Why loss? Sale equal to 0. Yeah?
Because we didn't sell anything, but we have invested, we have cost, variable cost, fixed costs, but
No,
no.
we have no variable cost. If for production and sale is 0, you don't have any variable cost. If you do not get any production, your variable cost would be 0. But you have to incur only fixed cost. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If production and sale is 0, you have to incur only fixed cost. Then what is fixed cost here? What is fixed cost from profit line? 30,000. This 30,000 is your fixed cost. You write down fixed cost equal to 30,000. Do you understand, Pujana?
Yes, sir.
Maximum possible loss of any enterprise equal to fixed cost. What may be the maximum possible loss for any enterprise? It amounts to fixed cost. If your sale is 0, then also you have to incur fixed cost. That's why you suffer loss. Therefore, this 30,000 is your fixed cost. Therefore, from profit line, this you may get, this is the PV ratio 3/5 and fixed cost 30,000. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Lisa, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, what is your fixed cost? If you calculate the profit line, you can easily get PV ratio and fixed cost. Then, what is break-even point? Then you have to calculate. At break-even point, y equal to 0. Therefore, you assign 0 here. 0 equal to 3x by 5 minus 30,000. Therefore, 3x by 5 equal to 30,000. X equal to 30,000 into 5 by 3. That is 50,000. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, this is break-even point sale. Therefore, sale at break-even point equal to rupees 50,000. In this way, you have to do the sum. I have already forwarded the sum to your end. Okay? Or you write it down now. Again, you draw 3 columns. Here, first column here, second column sale, third column profit. Ujana?
Sir, I have written it already.
Therefore, you have to do it and send it to me. The profit
Sir,
line.
Sir, year 2018, 2019, na?
Uh,
And sales 40,000, 4 lakhs and 5 lakhs.
uh,
And
profit
profit 1 lakh
1
and
lakh.
1 lakh 50,000.
uh,
Sir, you said we have to submit it on you start Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yes,
Then
sir.
you
Yes,
submit
sir.
on Wednesday. You submit on Wednesday. But Lisa is to submit the previous one today. Okay?
Sir, I will submit both of the assignment today itself.
Fine. You will be provided by one chocolate.
Thank you, sir. Which one?
Uh, uh, okay? Do you get the point?
Yes, sir.
Then, if 2 figures are given, you may easily draw the profit line, and from profit line, whatever multiplied with x, that would be your PV ratio. And what is minus figure, that is maximum possible loss, is your fixed cost. Your fixed cost is not minus 30,000. It would be 30,000. Clear? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Do you get the point? In this way, you have to sum it. You have to do the sum very clearly, and you have to sum it also. Then say always, now you hear Lisa and Ujana, profit line cannot start with this point. This is 0 point. Profit line always starts from something lower point. Clear? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Why, sir? Sir, lower point means it's loss.
Loss. Because if sale is 0, profit must be something negative. It cannot be 0, it's something more than that. The loss something more than that, is it?
Yes.
If production and sale is 0, then profit cannot be 0. Because you have to suffer a loss for the fixed cost, okay? Do you get the point, Lisa?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Sales
Sir,
line, huh?
Can you
Bolo, bolo.
repeat it?
If sale is 0, then profit cannot be 0. You have to suffer a loss for the fixed cost. If production and sale is 0, say you are carrying on one business, you stop production, then also you have to incur your rent of the house, is it not? Say you run one shop in Pechathal, and you were carried on candle manufacturing. Now you stop it for the corona situation. Then what is your loss? Monthly loss? Is it 0?
No, sir.
It would be something minus, because your loss would be minus 2,000, because you have to pay your house rent. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Ujana, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
therefore if sale is 0, then also profit is something negative. Therefore profit line would start from something negative point. Okay, but sales line would start from this point. Sale cannot be 0, negative. It is maximum. Sale can be 0. Okay, sale line starts from this point, but profit line starts from something negative point. Do you understand? And what is the amount of this? This is the fixed cost. Where from profit line starts in y-axis, this is the fixed cost. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Lisa, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then you have to submit yes, sir, by today. Lisa,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bijoy has not come today. Therefore, Bijoy will get 2 big zeros. And I don't know what's about Jahir.
Sir, he is having family problem. I called him.
Jahir,
Yes, sir.
oh, अरे problem तो है ही है, but with problem you have to carry on your study. Otherwise, you have to suffer for the entire life. Problem
Yes,
is
sir.
there, but in the midst of problem, you cannot jump over problem. You have to face problem. Clear? You cannot avoid problem, but you have to
Yes,
face
sir.
problem. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.